Alright guys, good morning and welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. It is currently, I think, about 6:30 or thereabout. It is still gloomy outside, there's no sun, but I have been up from 5. So because of the amount of work I have to do for school, I decided to sacrifice some sleep today. So I got up early and I've been up from 5. Even my bed is already made, so that's all the work that I've been doing from 5. I got quite a few done and I'm gonna continue until about 7, and then I go and shower because I have to also go to school today. So so we are starting off today's vlog. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video.
Where are you, Christmas?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Yes, it does.
Yes guys, so it is Vlogmas day 2. So happy December 2nd guys. We are on the 2nd day of Vlogmas. So if you have not as yet watched the other 2 videos, the first one was the intro and behind the scenes video, then the other one was yesterday's vlog. So that's day 1, which will be dropping at 3 p.m. I'm trying to drop each video at 3 because most of my viewers watch YouTube after like afternoon time, because we're all working class people. Most of the persons that watch my video, they work or go to school, so reasonable time. So yes, so that will be dropping at 3 today. So I'm quite excited to see what you guys think. I think you guys love the intro and I'm quite excited for that. So yesterday I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the vlog or did I cut it out, but I downloaded this, what do you call it, advent calendar, because I was planning on making one and I didn't bother to make it. So I downloaded one, right? And when I opened the one for yesterday, it was actually a wallpaper. So I want to see what today is. Oh, I should probably show you guys the wallpaper I got. So it was this little reindeer thing. If you guys can see it, yeah, that's it. So I want to see what today is. So day 2 guys, day 2. Let's see what we're getting today on this advent calendar. What I wanted was like a motivational motivation, something at least for it, but it's not happening like that. So, and it's so slow. I might download the next one and use that one instead. I don't know, because there were quite a few, but I just saw this one and like, okay, let's take this one. But this one is not working out for me. Alright, so I'm gonna download the next one and then we can come back and share the whatever it is that is there. Alright, so right now I'm gonna get back to some work. It's now, actually I told you guys it was 6:30. It was actually probably about 6:20 something, because it's now 6:29. I didn't have the thing with me, but I thought it reached 6:30. So it's now 6:29. So I'm gonna get back to work and work until about 7 and then go shower. So I have half an hour to do the papers that are left. So I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so it is now 7 a.m. I have just a little bit more left, but I'm going to shower. I'm tired already. You can't imagine that the day just started. Alright, so I downloaded the next advent calendar and day 1 seemed to work. I'm gonna try day 2 and see what we get, but it have ads on it, so yeah, people have to pay for them up somehow. So the second day is, oh, it's a Christmas thought and it says, why AliExpress show, this year will definitely be our year, we'll spend it together, happy new year. So I don't want to give me happy new year on the 2nd of December, but anyways, we're gonna save that. So yes, it's a Christmas card that I got for day 2. So I'm excited to see what day 3 will bring. and all of that. So yes guys, I'm going to now shower and then I'll see you guys afterwards. I don't know what we're doing today, but I know we have to go to school. I have to read school for 10:45, so might as well shower now because I have an 8:15 class and I have a break, and in that break I want to do like get ready to leave because we gotta go. Alright guys, later. Alright guys, so I'm actually ready. This is the fit for the day. Wearing this cardigan thing and this green pants with my black shoes. So yes, I'm actually about to leave. I need to reach up there for 10:45 and it's now 9. Actually I'm early. I don't need to rush, but I think my father waiting on me for something, so I'm gonna go up. So yes, we're gonna head out right now, so I'll see you guys on the road. Not too like here, so but it's fine. Ta-da! Alright guys, so I am currently in office. I'm gonna do some work right now. It's now like 2 o'clock right now and I haven't vlogged since morning, so sorry I neglected you guys. I'm so sorry. I think this video might be a little bit short. I didn't really do much, so yeah. And not this Wi-Fi behaving slouchy. I hate school Wi-Fi. Jeez. But yes. When I can't stop on my computer? Like, why? Guys, I'm finally home. It is like 5 o'clock and I have practice like right now. I'm gonna miss when I practice. Hi guys, so I'm back home. As I said, I was late for the first practice, so I ended up missing that one completely, but I'm just back from the other practice, which is the adult one. It is now 6:36, so we're back from that. It was a lovely practice. We haven't practiced like in a while because, you know, government did say no choir, so still no choir, but we just wanted to do a selection. So they're not going to sit on choir, but they're going to sing. So alright, so right now I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to change, get some food, and then get some work done. So yeah. Alright guys, so we have food time. It's dinner time. We're having some fish with some yaman dumpling. First yaman banana. We got sister here. She did the haul, guys. I'll give you a tour of the haul in a few.
Y'all pray for me.
What's why?
I'm going to be assessed tomorrow.
Oh yeah, she had.
But I got that lap. Nobody can do it.
Anyways, mommy in the kitchen somewhere there. Hi mom. Where are you? They can't see you. You have to push your head out. Ma, stop hiding. Hi mom. Anyways guys, so food is there. We're gonna eat food.
No. You are washing your clothes.
But
No,
it's
on
your
own
stuff.
style.
Exactly.
Not me.
If you guys
I
have
made
not
sure
seen
I did it
my
myself.
phone, this
I
is
didn't
my
bother
phone.
you.
Ooh. Hello December indeed. So I was watching my sister's vlog. You know, you gotta support. And this is the phone, you know. Oh, no, hey, I just love the phone. It's just cute. Christmassy. I will fix it soon.
Didn't I give you breakfast? Didn't I give you lunch?
No.
Dinner?
You give me one something that we call it yogurt after lunchtime past time if you go eat.
I still lunch. Still
But I'm
get something.
grateful for it because
Okay.
not many persons.
And I put you this tangerine and you don't have it?
Exactly.
You know something?
Yeah, me and you.
No. I'm going to find a wet and dry. But how am I going to hold the wet? Oh, full and empty. That's simple. Alright, so I have that. That is
Big and little.
Oh yeah. You're
Happy
so
and
smart.
sad.
Me not happy and sad nothing.
You can be sad and I'm happy.
Alright guys, so I promised you guys like a tour. So this is what my sister did today. We still need to like hang up the curtains, but she fixed that and changed the sheet that was on it. You know, the Christmas tree is now out. So yes, we have a little bit of Christmas decor out. Those were washed and put out back. We changed, well, I can't say I did anything because I really did not do it. Look what my dad did. So this was supposed to be like this. I know these are gonna have on I think you're supposed to have on Christmas things on it. I'm not sure, but anyways, so this was over there. So they're supposed to be green and white. Okay, so this was over there, but she changed it over here. So that's what that looks like. Then we got this and this little table. It just looks cute, guys. I like the layout that she chose. It is pretty cute. So that's what this haul looks like so far. So we have that. So tomorrow morning we're gonna do this, and actually I'm gonna get to help since I'm not going to school, so I can actually wake up and help her this time. So yeah, that's the update on cleaning. We will have cleaning vlogs to come. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I didn't do much today because pretty much once I go to school I don't have much to vlog at school, so it makes no sense. So I have not a lot of content, I'm sure of that. I'm gonna edit and see, but I doubt there's anything. Today's motivational comment well, we don't have a motivational comment today. I didn't see any, but the unscramble for today, so the unscramble for today was SDLNEAC, and the first person to comment that was, what's this, Rashana Prince. She was the first person to comment candles. So yes, the unscramble word was candles. So congratulations Rashana Prince for, you know, the unscramble for the day. Now the comment of the day, we're gonna find that. All right, so I don't see the answer for the Vlogmas 2 in the comments. Somebody commented Santa Mail, like Lavida Jennings commented Santa Mail, but that is not the answer. The answer is actually letter to Santa. That is actually the what it means. So yes, that was it, but nobody got that one, sorry guys. But yes, that was letter to Santa. So today's emojis are, try and see if you can get this one and comment it down below. All right guys, thanks so much again for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, comment something down below, subscribe if you have not as yet, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.